Can washing machines be repaired easily? Imagine your washing machine suddenly stops spinning or leaks water. It can be frustrating, but many common problems are actually simple to fix. Whether you are handy with tools or just willing to learn, you might be surprised how many repairs you can do yourself. Most issues with washing machines come down to basic mechanical parts or simple clogs. For example, if your machine is not draining properly, the first thing to check is the drain hose and filter. These can get blocked by lint, coins, or small clothing items. Removing the drain hose and cleaning it out usually takes just a few minutes. The same goes for the filter, which is often located near the bottom of the machine. Cleaning it out can restore proper water flow and fix drainage problems. If your washing machine is making loud noises or vibrating too much, it might just need to be leveled. Most machines have adjustable feet. Using a spirit level, you can check if the machine is sitting flat on the floor. Adjusting the feet can stop the noise and prevent further damage. Sometimes, loose hoses or fittings cause leaks. Tightening these connections with a wrench or pliers is a quick fix that can save water and prevent damage. Electrical issues are a bit more complex but still manageable for some. If your machine does not start or stops mid-cycle, it could be a problem with the door latch, the control panel, or the motor. Basic electrical testing tools like a multimeter can help identify faulty switches or wiring. However, if you are not comfortable working with electricity, it's safer to call a professional. Many repairs requiring only simple tools like screwdrivers, pliers, and sometimes a socket set. Repair manuals and online tutorials are widely available and easy to follow. For example, removing the outer panels of the washing machine to access the pump or motor is straightforward if you follow step-by-step guides. These guides often include exact sizes and types of screws to use, making the process less intimidating. Some repairs, like replacing the motor or electronic control board, are more complicated and might need professional help. These parts are more expensive and requiring specific skills to install safely. But for common issues like clogged filters, loose hoses, or imbalanced loads, homeowners with basic mechanical skills can often fix the problem in less than an hour. Safety is very important. Always unplug the washing machine before starting any repair work. Make sure to follow instructions carefully and use the right tools. With patience and some basic knowledge, many washing machine problems can be fixed easily, saving you money and extending the life of your appliance.